Applying for a UK spouse visa after getting married outside the UK demands precise preparation and a clear understanding of the legal requirements. The application process can be complex, especially for overseas marriages. Providing accurate documentation and meeting UK visas and immigration or UKVI guidelines is essential to avoid delays or refusals. In this video, we'll explain the key steps, required documents, and legal requirements for applying for a UK spouse visa if you were married outside the UK, giving you the knowledge needed to strengthen your application. Understanding UK spouse visa requirements for overseas marriages. If you're applying for a UK spouse visa under Appendix FM of the immigration rules, your marriage must meet specific legal criteria. It must be valid in the country where it took place and recognised by UK Visas and Immigration or UKVI. The marriage must comply with local laws, and there should be no legal reasons in either spouse's country of domicile that would prevent it from being recognised in the UK. If either partner was previously married, those marriages must be legally dissolved. For marriages conducted through religious or customary practices, things can become more complicated, especially if the marriage isn't registered with civil authorities. In such cases, UKVI may carry out additional checks to verify the marriage's validity. Ensuring your marriage meets these legal standards is vital, so double-check your documentation against the UK's requirements. Navigating these legal complexities can be challenging. If you want to be sure you're on the right track, our exclusive 5-day live UK spouse visa workshop provides expert guidance to help you understand and prepare a strong application. From clarifying the legal requirements to organising your supporting documents, we offer practical solutions to simplify the process. Register now using the link in the description. We look forward to supporting you through your visa journey. Essential documents for UK spouse visa if married overseas. When proving your overseas marriage for a UK spouse visa, having the right legal documentation is essential for a successful application. According to Appendix FMSE of the immigration rules, you must submit an official marriage certificate that's legally recognised in the country where the marriage took place. If either of you was previously married, you must also provide evidence of legal divorce, such as a decree absolute or its equivalent. Marriages, civil partnerships, or evidence of divorce or dissolution from outside the UK must be supported by documents that are legally valid in the relevant country and are considered a reasonable equivalent under UK law. For marriages in the UK, you must submit a valid marriage certificate recognised under the laws of England and Wales, Scotland, or Northern Ireland. For divorces in the UK, you need to provide a decree absolute from a civil court. Civil partnerships must be supported by a valid civil partnership certificate, and any dissolution of a civil partnership requires a final order from a civil court. Translation of documents. If any of your supporting documents are not in English or Welsh, you must provide a certified translation to meet UKVI requirements. Each translated document must include a statement confirming that the translation is accurate and a true representation of the original document, the date of translation, the full name and signature of the translator, and the translator's contact details. Providing incomplete or inaccurate translations can delay your application or even lead to a refusal. Ensuring your translations are precise and meet official standards is a critical step in preparing a successful UK spouse visa application. While you can apply for a UK spouse visa independently, working with a qualified UK immigration professional can significantly improve your chances of success. Immigration laws are constantly changing, and expert guidance ensures your application meets the latest UKVI requirements. A legal professional can identify potential issues, provide tailored advice, and save you time and stress. Although legal assistance involves a cost, it can prevent costly mistakes and offer peace of mind during this complex process. However, if you're not ready to invest in professional legal fees, don't worry, we've got you covered. Our free guide is the perfect starting point to help you navigate the UK spouse visa process. It's packed with essential information that simplifies the application, ensuring you don't miss any important steps. This guide will save you time and give you clarity on what you need to do to strengthen your application. Download your copy through the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future updates on the UK spouse and partner visa application process and requirements. Stay tuned for more insights and practical tips.